Birthright citizenship, what is it? And does Trump have the authority to actually get rid of it, even though it is in our 14th Amendment that if you are born on United States soil, you automatically become a citizen of the United States of America? On his first day in office, Trump signed an executive order to end birthright citizenship, denying any baby who was born by immigrant parents citizenship here in the United States of America. Immediately, a federal judge blocked this order, and 22 Democratic states filed suit against this executive order. Birthright citizenship, what is it? Well, in 1790, it was called the right of soil. And this is what happened. In 1790, the first laws came into effect stating that a free white person who had been living in America for 2 years and was in good standings, well, they should become a citizen of the United States of America. If you were living in America for 2 years, you were a good person, and you had children under the age of 21, your children became citizens of the United States of America. So that went on for many years. Come the Civil War. If you noticed, I said if you were a free white person. During and after the Civil War, many debates started to occur as to what should happen to the African American slaves that were here in America. Should they get citizenship in America? Well, in 1864, Attorney General Edward Bates made it that a free man of color born on American soil should become an American citizen. After the Civil War, Congress passed a civil rights law extending the 14th Amendment to allow birthright citizenship to people born on United States soil. It was stated that this nation spilled so much blood to fight for the end of slavery and to establish the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendment, making it that all people, regardless of race, if you were born in America, you are a United States citizen. Skip forward 20 years. In 1898, a Chinese boy born of immigrant parents in San Francisco, California, goes to China to visit his family. He comes back to San Francisco, the place where he is from, and he is denied re-entry into America. Unbeknownst to him, while he was away, the U.S. decided to bring a test case to challenge birthright citizenship, especially to Chinese immigrants. They said, if your parents are Chinese immigrants, you will no longer have birthright citizenship in America. The boy, he tries to get off the boat. They will not let him get off the boat because he is Chinese. And he says, I was born here. I have papers proving that I am a United States citizen. His case went all the way to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of this man, changing the immigration laws here in America, changing the birthright citizenship here in America. It was noted that if you are born here on American soil, regardless of where your parents are from, regardless if your parents are immigrants, they're not citizens in America, you, because you're born in America, will automatically be granted birthright citizenship. So since 1898, it didn't matter where your parents were from. As long as you were born here in America, you were automatically a birthright citizen. Well, a lot has changed since 1898. We are now in 2025. In 2022, it is estimated that there were over 11 million illegal immigrants living inside of the United States. In 2024, that number went up to 15 million illegal immigrants living in the United States. And we know what has happened over the past 4 years. We have had a wide open border. The numbers are everywhere, from 10 to 15 million illegal immigrants who have crossed into America. Many of those illegal immigrants came pregnant. They wanted to come to America to have their baby here in America so their baby would gain birthright citizenship. Me, myself, personally, I have talked to many migrants who have came into America just to have their baby. One lady told us that she was from Venezuela. She said she did not want to have a baby in Venezuela because it is not safe and it cost a lot of money. So she made the dangerous trek to come to America to have her baby here. Also, many people coming into America over the past 4 years, if they came in pregnant or if they got pregnant when they were in America, they got better treatment. They were able to stay in shelters and hotels longer because they were pregnant. They also were able to deliver their baby for free and get money each month and get free diapers, free formula, free things that they needed for their baby thanks to American taxpayer dollars. Also, those babies are called anchor babies, and by having a baby born here in America, they automatically think it will be easier for them to stay inside America. Also, many people come here on travel visas just to have a baby, or people will come and stay in hotels for a few months, have their baby here in America, and then go back to the country that they are from. Well, we have a new president, a new person is in charge, and Donald Trump says we are ending that. We can no longer keep having these people come into our country and have babies here. Different times call for different measures. That is what Trump is saying. I don't know, had we not had this wide open border over the past 4 years, would this even be a topic that is being talked about so much? Would birthright citizenship come to an end? Or is this a major statement that Trump is saying that we are ending it? We've had 4 years of lawlessness, 4 years of an open, wide border. Many, many people have came here, have had babies here, and now we have to take care of them. And Trump is saying, well, now we need to send them all back to the countries that they came from. This is a big topic to talk about. I don't know if Trump will be able to pass this, if this will go all the way to the Supreme Court, as we are right now having federal judges blocking this executive order. If it doesn't happen, one thing Trump can do is he can ban travel visas. Say, if you're 6 months pregnant, well, you can't come to America because you might have a baby here. He could say that people that are pregnant cannot travel to the United States of America in fear that they're going to have their baby here. That sounds logical to me. I wouldn't go to China if I was 7 months pregnant because I would be afraid of having a baby there. But people want to come here to America to have a baby. Not only do we have good health care, but for a lot of these people, they can come here, have their baby, go home, and not even pay a dime to have their baby in the hospital. But if you're a U.S. citizen, having a baby in a hospital can cost upwards to $30,000. Let me know what you think about this. Should we end birthright citizenship, get rid of the 14th Amendment? Is it something that we even can do? I don't know. Let me know what you think about it. Give this video a like, comment, share it. But thanks for watching. Leave your comment down below. I will be reading them, and every week I'm going to be posting a video on current events going on here in America. So let me know your thoughts. Follow me on Booker T. Jones on Instagram and TikTok. And of course on here, give my video a like. And I will see you next week.